are you doing?
So, right, are these your face moisturizers?
Yeah, are you after a face moisturizer for
I
yourself?
am, yeah. I find my skin's quite greasy and I break out a lot.
Oh,
So
okay, yeah. Is that just in summer or all year round you feel
All
a bit
year round,
oily?
pretty much, yeah.
Okay. Have you tried any before or is that the
No,
first time?
I've read about them, but I don't know too much.
Okay, so you want something light for
Yes.
the day?
Yes, please.
Alright. Something light. So you say you break out, like your face breaks out easily? Let me show you a few. This is gorgeous. This is our Purest moisturizer. If you want to have a feel, it's really light. It's a beautiful texture. It's got cold pressed oils inside, so you only get the purest ingredients. It's a really nice, really light one. So that would be good on your oily skin. If you want something to get rid of the excess oil of your skin, this one is Enzymium. It's packed with lemon, so it's really enzymic. Nice and light. And this one here is Vanishing Cream. What do you think so far? Which one do you prefer?
I like the first one. It seems like my skin turns more even after using it.
Yeah, that's the point of gorgeous.
Oh.
To look nice, and you can use it day and night. And this one is Vanishing Cream. It's our lightest. Only has 11% oils, and it has witch hazel to close the pores. A little bit of tea tree, so that would help with your breakouts.
I really like the smell of this one.
You like the
Definitely
Vanishing
smell
Cream?
tea tree, yeah.
Alright, so one Vanishing Cream for you.
Yeah, that would be lovely, thanks.
Top of that one, I'll take you to the till. Alright, so that's $39.05. Is it back out?
Yeah.
Are you a member of our VIP list?
No, not yet.
Oh, if you want to sign up, it's free and you receive the lunchtimes at home.
Sure, why not?
Perfect. And that's your receipt and your frame. Nice, and you can start shipping from home right away.
Oh,
Thank you.
good
Thanks a
idea.
lot.
Sounds well prepared.
Have a good afternoon.
You too, thank you.
I'll see
You've
you
been so
soon.
helpful. Bye.